So I woke up pretty early this morning, Sunday the 5th of May. Thought I might take the kayak out for a bit of a squid jig and throw some soft plastics around. Come down and launched at Oliver's Hill boat ramp just at Frankston. Just in there. Started off fishing the reefs to the left of Frankston Pier for some squid. Got a couple, dropped one. Then headed out over here for some more squid, then out a bit deeper for some soft plastics. So watched the next few minutes and had a bit of fun. Hopefully I can snag another fish on the soft plastics just as I'm working my way back in. Looks like I've got something on here. Yeah, there he is. Beautiful. Oh. Nah, dropped him. Too busy talking to the camera. Whee! Oh! On here, that's for sure. Quite a few around. Hey! Woo! I should have brought a damn net.
Got a little one on here. Just a very little guy. Wonder if he's got any mates with him. Seems to be hooked pretty well. Hopefully I can get him in without dropping it, but it's all good. Willie Ink. Hey, there we go, there we go. I was waiting for that. Oh, here we go. That's a better one. Took the jig a bit harder that time. Not much bigger, just took the jig a bit harder. Wonder if he's got any mates with him. Bit better. That's what we want. Loosen that drag off a bit. I wish I'd bring a net, but so there we go. He's hooked pretty well. Oh, he's gonna ink the absolute lord town out of me. Lucky I've got my safety goggles on. Come here, buddy. It's a lot better. Guys in the tank before they shoot themselves out. Open that lid up there. Chop them, but there's nowhere to put them. The only thing that sucks on the kayak with no sounder, as soon as I find a patch of them, I get blown straight off it, and I don't know where the hell I bloody hooked them. Let's go tip it, it'll go over here somewhere. See if I can get one more squid, then I'll try and flick some soft plastics or some vibes for a few flatties or maybe even a pinkie. Yep, on again here. Beautiful. I've got 4 so far, so this will be my 5th, and just trying to get a feed for tonight, so that's plenty. So hopefully if I land this one, I'll leave the squid alone. Put a soft plastic on and see if we can get a nice flatty, or yeah, even a pinkie. Just hooked by the one candle, this guy. Oh, he's gonna ink me. He's gonna ink me. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Come back here, mate. Come on. In you come. Oh, God. Non-stop inkathon. Oh, again. How much bloody load do you have, mate? Gee whiz. Beautiful. That's 5 squid in the tank. So I'm going to rig up a soft plastic and a vibe. Get back to you in a sec. Getting nibbles already. That was the first cast on the soft plastic. We got one? Oh, dropped him. What is it? Feels like a little pinkie. Come on. Oh, he's just having a nibble on the tail. Hooked him in the side of the face, but you're right, buddy. Gonna let you go here. You're right.
If you're gonna save the day, and you hear what I say, I feel your touch, your kiss is not enough. And if you believe in me,
what do we got here?
Woo!
A bit more of a fight. Feels like it could be a small snapper, a little pinkie.
Let me tell you, I need a miracle. I need a miracle. It's more than physical. What I need to feel from you. Let me tell you,
doesn't want to give up. What is it? It is a little pinkie.
It's more than physical.
Woo!
Just when I thought no one cared, you're the answer to my prayers. You lift my spirits high, come on and rescue me. Let me tell you, no, I need a miracle. I need a miracle. It's more than physical. What I need to feel from you. Let me tell you, no, I need a miracle. I need a miracle. It's more than physical. What I need to feel from you. Let me tell you, no, I need a miracle. I need a miracle. It's more than physical. What I need to get through.
Back on land now. Legs are bloody like jelly because I've been sitting down for about 3 hours, but ended up getting these few squid. And then got a few pinkies, a flatty and a red mullet, so it's been a good fun day.